Hi folks, happy Tuesday. We're gonna do a little math lesson together today, and we're gonna start talking about word problems. We've done some word problems throughout the year, but I know that sometimes problems can be hard, and sometimes we see a word problem and we think, I'm not a good enough reader to be able to look at this. So we're gonna learn some strategies and some ways that you can make solving a word problem easier. There's some steps that we can follow, and there are some key words, some important words that we should be looking for when we have a word problem to solve. So a word problem is sometimes called a story problem. Whenever I was in second grade and I had to solve a word problem, especially on my homework, I would get really upset. Sometimes I would even cry about it. And I didn't need to cry about it. All I needed to do was follow the steps and look for key words that would help me know how I was going to solve the problem. So in second grade, we are working mainly with addition and subtraction. We have done some multiplication and we will do some more, but right now, these are the two operations, the things that we know how to do really well with numbers. Whenever I have a word problem that I'm going to solve, after I've read the problem 2 times, I'm going to make a picture in my mind of what is happening in that problem, and then I'm going to start looking for keywords. Keywords means important words, words that can help me to know what to do when I am solving a problem. When I am working on an addition problem, I'll know that it is an addition problem because I might find words like altogether, in all, total, plus, sum, or combined. If in the problem I'm getting more or the number is going to get bigger, I'm probably going to be adding in that problem. That's how I'll solve it. If the problem has words like difference, minus, take away, are left, how many more, or remain, those are all keywords that would indicate that the problem will be a subtraction problem and that I'm going to need to subtract in that problem. So I'm going to give you an example, and I want you to see if you can just figure out if you would add or subtract in this problem. So here's the problem. I'm going to say that Jose has 47 Pokemon cards, and his brother Ramon has 56 Pokemon cards. And the question that I'm being asked is, how many Pokemon cards do they have in all? In all. So let me look at my list of words. Do you see the words in all on one of these lists? Here it is right here on the addition keyword list. So if I see those words in all, I know I'm going to find a total, how many they have all together. So I'm going to add in that problem. Here's another situation, another problem. I am thinking about food because I skipped breakfast. I'm going to say the bakery has 12 blueberry muffins left. Sam comes and buys 7 blueberry muffins. How many muffins remain? Or how many muffins are left? Do you see the word remain or are left on either of my lists? There they are on subtraction. So if somebody's buying something or eating something or sharing something, my number is going to get smaller, so I'm going to subtract. So in that problem, I would subtract. So in order to be able to solve a word problem, you have to find those keywords and numbers so that you know what you're going to do. After you know what you're going to do, add or subtract, solving the problem is easy. So after this, go on Google Forms and try it out. Read the problem and decide, is the problem an addition problem or is the problem a subtraction problem. And I'm gonna go drink a cup of coffee and eat my breakfast.